sophisticated kitchen living room, designed in a modern minimalist style. The spacious living area is decorated in light, neutral tones. A soft sofa with plenty of cushions invites you to relax after a long day. Light, flowing curtains add coziness and fill the space with gentle, diffused light. The elegant dining area, featuring an oval marble table and comfortable chairs with slim golden legs, is perfect for family dinners and friendly gatherings. A striking light fixture above the table creates a sense of lightness and movement. The kitchen is designed with clean, sleek lines, handleless white cabinetry, a marble backsplash, and built-in appliances create a sense of purity and order. The functional workspace is thoughtfully arranged for comfortable cooking. The TV area seamlessly ties the space together, making it both functional and stylish. Subtle lighting and minimalist display cabinets add a touch of refinement to the interior. Every detail of this kitchen living room is thoughtfully crafted to inspire and provide maximum comfort. Welcome to a world of refined elegance and timeless sophistication. The spacious living room impresses with its soft color palette, featuring plush sofas, delicate accent pillows, and a stunning sculptural wall with integrated lighting. A magnificent chandelier floats above, adding a touch of opulence and creating a truly luxurious atmosphere. Moving into the TV area, clean lines and thoughtful storage blend beauty and functionality. Warm wooden tones, modern shelving, and soft lighting make this space cozy and inviting, perfect for relaxed evenings at home. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design. Classic cabinetry in a muted gray tone is paired with luxurious marble countertops and a beautifully textured backsplash. Golden accents and open shelving highlight the elegant craftsmanship. At the heart of the kitchen, a spacious marble island offers a stylish dining space, surrounded by unique modern chairs. The delicate pendant lights above add a playful yet graceful touch, perfectly complementing the airy light-filled space. Every detail of this kitchen living room is designed to inspire, combining comfort, style, and timeless beauty. next kitchen living room is a modern space filled with elegance and light. The living room features a cozy neutral sofa, soft textures, and stylish wall accents. A sleek chandelier softly illuminates the room, adding sophistication. The TV area is minimalist and sophisticated, with a floating console and warm lighting for a cozy ambience. The open-plan kitchen and dining room combine muted tones, marble surfaces, and clean lines to create the perfect balance of style and functionality. Soft upholstered chairs gather around a modern dining table, perfect for everyday moments and special occasions. Every element here is designed for effortless living and timeless beauty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.